Alright guys, today I got my Stihl br600 and I'm about to get ready to change the carburetor on it. That new one that bought it used. So right here, you're just gonna take this cover off right here. As you can see the filter. And the carb is right behind here. You also got to take the back piece off, which I've already. It has 4 screws on it, 3 screws on the pull cord. Let's see. Alright, so here's the carb right here. And all I'm gonna do is take these few screws out. Alright, so gotta take these lines loose and go ahead and put the new carb on. This is the first line right there that we gotta take loose. First hose. Alright, you're gonna get that cable right there and you're gonna get that other gas line right there. That's it. Alright, so you got the old one right here. And here's the new one that I'm about to put on. Alright, so now it's time to put the hoses back on. This is the bottom one right here. Top one. And then this bottom one right here. Right here. Alright. Make sure I got everything hooked up. Got the bottom hose. Everything in place. Alright. Make sure everything is in place. Get this back outside. And that goes inside. That screw right there is going to hold this orange thing in place. Let's see if we can get this tightened down a little bit. So it look like we got everything tightened up. Alright, so for there on, all you gotta do is put everything back just like it was. Put the back piece shell back on, put the side piece back on, and then crank it up and see what it do. So got the new one in there, we're good to go.